Shall we start, sir?
Yes, sure. We can start.
Hello, everyone present here virtually. I am Preeti here, and I welcome you to all for today's session, which title as Introduction to Mendeley Reference Manager. And presenting this session, we have with us our today expert, Prashant Sonawne, sir. Prashant Sonawne, sir, is currently affiliated with the Postgraduate Teaching Department of Commerce at Godawana University, Gadchiroli, Maharashtra State. Since last 6 years, he has been teaching to postgraduate students of Godawana University, Gadchiroli. The academic specialization are marketing management, consumer behavior, etc. He has completed PhD in the subject of trade, transport, and industry from University of Mumbai. His research interest area are trade, transport, industry, banking, financial, including customer behavior. He has very few number of publication in research journal. Now you start, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Before I proceed, I would like to thanks Research Circle, especially Dr. William Trott, who have given me an opportunity to express about the introduction to reference manager. So today, friends, today we are going to discuss on the introductory part of reference manager. As we know very well that research is very important in today's era, and the quality research is always demanded in present time. So to do the quality research, we required quality academic writing, and for that we required referencing. So in nowadays, there are n number of reference manager available, reference software are available, but which has a huge cost in the market. So some of academician and research and students are affordable, some may not afford to this reference software. So today we are going to discuss Mendeley. This is a software which is freely available, and the access can be anywhere. Access you can access at any time or any place. Most of the students who are doing PhD, the students who are doing research project, the academician like faculty members, teachers, those who are doing their academic work, the reference is one of the important element of their research. So while doing the research, so managing reference is nowadays going to be very hectic, but Mendeley is going to solve these issues and a problem. What exactly Mendeley? Basically, Mendeley is a software which is introduced by Elsewhere. Elsewhere is an elite academic company who has given the software to students, academician, and which has no cost at all. So in today's session, we are going to discuss two major components. One is the functional area of Mendeley software, and another is the collaboration tool with Microsoft Word. So with that, as we know very well, if you type in Google or any browser, internet browser, you can type www.mendeley.com, will definitely will show on this website. So this is the page of Mendeley software. Mendeley is a cloud-based research reference manager. It is a cloud-based reference manager. Those who have already account, they can sign in, and those who don't have an account, they can create account. So I have already account, so I am doing the signing. Now I am signing in. Now like this, I do sign in. So after signing, this type of page will come in front of you. On the left side, you will see there is a logo, Mendeley is given, and the right and upper side, search, then library is given. And
sir, hello sir, sorry to disturb you.
Yes.
We cannot see the page.
Okay. Wait a minute. Sir, now can you see?
No, sir.
Sir, hello?
No sir.
No? Okay. I stop sharing and now?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible to all of you?
Yes sir.
Yes, now. Okay, fine. So after signing, you can see this type of surface on Mendeley software. Mendeley, basically, if you ask a question regarding that, is Mendeley software run on Mac operating system? Yes. Window operating system? So answer is yes. And so Mendeley software is a such software which operate in all browsers, in all operating systems, anywhere, anytime. So that's why this is the unique feature of the Mendeley, and we always refer to this. We always advise to students and a researcher to use this Mendeley software. So now I move to the surface page of library. So after login, I move to the library. This is the library page where you will see on the left hand side there is one panel. Left hand side upper corner logo is given, then library, then note button, then notebook is there. There is a notebook button. Okay, then below that you will see add new, then all references, recent, added, recently read, favorite, my publication, trash. After that, below that, collection, and then groups. So on the left hand side, these functional keys are given on the Mendeley software. Basically, it is cloud based cloud based. So we will see one by one and what are the use of it. See, most of the students, researchers, and faculty members who always in the stress that there are a number of work is going on. Suppose you are doing PhD, suppose you are doing any research work, any project work, you have n thousands of reference, and there is a problem of storage, and sometimes there is a problem of multitasking. So in that case, how this software will help you? Yes, definitely friends, this software is basically meant for all the issues where taken care in this software, and you will see that very fantastically and very uniquely work while using this software, especially in references. The software is not only used for references but also for literature review also. That is another part of that. But today we will see the functional keys of the reference manager, Mendeley reference manager, and how we can collaborate the same software with Microsoft Word. So very first we will see the add button. Suppose we have some references and we wanted to add the reference in the this software online. So answer is yes, you can add. See, after clicking the add button, there is one pop-up window open, and see file from computer, add entry manually, and import library. So when if you having some PDF files, if you're having a Word file, so you can add your reference material in Mendeley. So I'll show one example with that. I'm adding, suppose I have one research paper, and like I am just showing you. Okay, I have one article here and I'm adding. If you have a PDF file, you can add. Now see, I have add this PDF file. Okay, now it's loading and now added. See, after adding, the PDF is not showing year. Okay, there is an author name is given, title name is automatically I've taken by this software, and sources, added time, and the PDF file. So, but sir, can we make changes in that after adding? Yes, your answer is yes. So by clicking this tab, you will see, you will get one right hand side, the information tab will open, and you can add the author. Now you can add other information like year. So there was no year in that added material. So we will see first. So the article is of 2014, October 2014. Okay, I will come again. October 2014. So I'm adding here 2014. So they are asking pages. If you will see, now see, the author name is given, year is there, title is there, and the source and the time, and here file, in this file under this file there is a PDF file is there already there. We have uploaded just now. So this way you can add your PDF material. If you have Word file, you can add in this manually. If you do not have a PDF material but you want to add some reference material, sir, can we add these references manually? So answer is yes. What I add entry manually. Suppose I have one material or I have some references. So I can go with that. See, by clicking reference type, one pop-up window will open, and see from n number of journal, then report, patent, thesis, working paper. So like this, you can add. Suppose I am taking an example. I am adding journal. So title is, I'm putting some demo title, inflation in petrol price in the inflation of petrol prices in present context. Okay. Suppose author is Mr. X, or I am writing here Arora Sumit. The name of journal I write here X journal. Okay. The year 2022. Pages you can add 22 to 28. Okay. Volume is 5. Issue 2. The month which journal is published their article, that month I take here 4. The day you can there is no necessary, but at least year should be there. Okay. And I am adding this entry. So now see, in the author, below the author, there is Arora Sumit, name of author came, then year, then title, and source is X. In the source, there may be a journal, there may be a book, there may be a report, there may be any YouTube material, there may be a so there are n number of source where you are taking this manually entry. But after making the manual entry, sir, if there is any changes, so can we do some addition? Can we do some modification? So answer is yes. You click here and you can make the changes according whatever you want. Sir, can we add URL? Yes, you can add here URL. Suppose if you are taking some material from online, you wanted to add, you can take here and you can add here. Even if you wanted to any digital object identifier, so you can add. Suppose if you have a book, you can add your ISBN number. So like this, manual entry is possible, and even that there is a modification option is there. You can modify. Sir, one more thing I would like to ask that, sir, can we know that which style we are referring here? See, basically, there are a number of reference style is available. See, there are reference available APA. I am talking about the APA social science, mostly use APA, that is American Psychological Association. So these style are referencing style which mostly adopted by the social science. Suppose I am from engineering section, I am from other background, medical field. So can we change the style? Yes. I will show you in Microsoft Word how we can change the style, and how with this help of changing the style, our references will change. Okay. So now I saw you, I just now I have I explained you about how to add the material, reference material in through your computer, through your device. You have a computer, laptop, or even if you have an Android mobile also. Then you can add the material manually also. Now, see here, a references is given. So I have already added some material. That's why all references are showing. Last 30 days reference material will show here, all references. recent added, last 30 days, whatever I have referring from last 30 days, that will show on this recent added. Recently read. So last past 30 days, I will see here on this page. Suppose I'm working on particular reference, like some particular page. I'm reading some particular page. Okay. And now I want to read again and again. So I do favorite. So here is a star is given. I click the star. Now, whenever I want to read and when I click on favorite, this particular reference will show me. Now, if I double click that reference, now that reference I can read here. That PDF file is already I have uploaded. I make it favorite, and that's why I can read that favorite directly. So I come again and I came here as all references recently added, recently read, and favorite. Okay. Now, my publication. If you already have your publication, you can take here your publications, your research journal, your research article. Here is a trash. Suppose if you delete some references, just now I have added some demo reference here. Now I am deleting. As I click here and at the bottom, see there are some options. When I select one reference, the one option came at the bottom, they like organize, mark as, export and delete. When I click delete, it will goes to trash. See here in the trash, Aurora Sumidis came. Suppose by mistakenly you delete that reference and you wanted to restore, you can restore here again. Okay, now see in all references, you will see Aurora is there. I'll show you. It's synchronizing. Wait a minute. See here synchronizing in this way. Error occurred. Okay. Again, recently added. Okay, submit. I'm restoring. It's synchronizing. Yes, came. Now you can see Aurora Sumit. I restore that references which I just now I have deleted. So again, I am deleting it. There is no use actually. I have created for the purpose of demo. Now, see there are a number of reference material which I have already deleted in the past. So now come to the collection. Basically, suppose you are working, you are doing PhD. You are doing PhD and like this, I am adding here collection as PhD. So now one folder created here in the collection one, I create one folder PhD. So in the PhD, you have some chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, like this you have a chapters. Can I create a chapters? So answer is yes. I am creating here. I write here chapter 1, then again chapter 2. Okay. Chapter 1. Enter. Selection 1. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, I'm working, I'm doing PhD. In that, I am writing chapter 1, and chapter 1 have such reference material or references. So I select some references from here, and now I want to shift in add to collection. So in chapter 1, I am adding these references. So can I see in chapter 1? Yes. Now you can see in chapter 1, these are references. Can I, sir, I have a question that can I add chapter 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes, you can add chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever chapter you are having, in each chapter, you can add your reference material. So like this. But sir, if I'm working as a research associate with one project, so if I am having some project, so can I work with the project also? Yes. My answer is yes. If even I'm going all references, I select some references from here. Okay, and then go to organize, add to collection, and select the project and add. Now you will see in the project, there are some references I am added in the project. With these references, I am working in project. So see, collection is managing your references, your work by work. Suppose you are doing PhD, your references under the folder of PhD. You are doing research project, your all references come under the project. So this will helps to manage you very well, and will help to not only manage the references, but also I will show you how you can do your literature review with this help of references. Now below that there are groups. Suppose you are working with your colleague or some group of your research academicians, and you wanted to share your references with your colleagues, your research group. You can create here group and you can share your references. So I'm creating here one group like research circle. Okay, enter. Here I have created research circle group, and now you can create up to 25 persons including you. Now you can invite them in this research circle group, and you can share your references with them. You can invite through mail ID. You should know your mail ID of your group. So you put here your group members' mail ID and send them. They will receive your mail in their mail ID, and they will accept your invitation. As soon as they accept your invitation, they will come under this research circle group. And now you can share your references with your research group. So like this, you have seen, once again, I am explaining once again, you have seen that the button add new button, then recently added, recently read, then collection, and then group. Sir, now if I want to read some material, PDF material, can we read? So answer is yes. Suppose you are having some research material which is in PDF file. Okay, suppose you are actually I'm working on impact of COVID-19 on leather workers. So now when you click on that reference, on the right hand side one window will open, and you can read that material by clicking read button. Now I have opened one report. The report is of COVID-19 crisis through migrant lenses. Okay, published by World Bank Group. Now So I'm reading summary, and in summary there is one important highlight, one important sentence is very concerned to my research. So what I will do, I will should I, is it possible me to highlight this uh, text? Yes. So what I will do here, the pen button is given. I click here pen, and even I can select the color, blue color, or I want purple. Okay, I'm selecting purple color. Now here. Now I have selected this. Even you can comment on this particular. So you can see, I want to highlight stick notes. I'm highlighting here. So, report on COVID-19 crisis. Now, okay. After a few days, you come again and you have read one report, this report, and you stick one note, which was very important. Now, again, you wanted to know that what I had written. So you can come to annotation and you can see that the sticky note, what you have written over here. So you can highlight, you can read, you can edit, you can write also. Suppose if I want to, I'm working on impact of COVID-19. So may I able to write on it? Yes, you can add new pages. I am writing here impact of COVID-19 on the workers. Now, one important point I wanted to highlight here, and I want to always restore that, because in the present time you are reading, you are in that phase, so you understand many things, you are opening many nuances by reading, and on that basis, at that time you come to know that this is most important highlighted point is here. So I wanted to cited in my research article or in my working research, any article or any research paper or in your project. So I am writing here like this, any demo, this is demo alphabets are given. So references is the Mendeley is not only arranging or managing your references, but also will help you to read the material, to store your important note, to give your annotation. You can stickly note, you can stick out your note also. So after few days you come again and you wanted to see what I have refer and what I have highlighted, you can see here and you can read again. Suppose I close this. Is it possible I can check again after some period of time? You come again here, you click here. See, just recently I have noted some words just showing me here. And if you want to see the annotation, even annotation what you have already given, that you can see here. Now I'm closing. So by this way, you can manage your all references with multitasking research work. Now I will show you how you can collaborate this Mendeley reference with Microsoft Word. So are you are you getting my point? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So most of the research scholars, they may have their research work in Word. I'm opening here Word. I'm opening one blank. Okay. Is it visible to all of you? Hello? Hello? Can you see the screen? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, as you know very well, because we are being an academician, being a researchers, students, or faculty member, we know we have to work in Word, Microsoft Word, or sometimes we required documents which will help me to read, or which help to writing material. Suppose I am working on one research paper or one article or one thesis, chapter writing. I'm working on one project. So I am writing here title. And now I'm giving the heading to that. Okay, title here. Before I explain this, I would like to know that how you can collaborate Mendeley with Microsoft Word. See, Microsoft Word, this type of document application is used by many researcher. There are some students who are also using Google Docs. Okay, so Google Doc, so only the Mendeley Reference Manager is feasible to collaborate Microsoft Word, not Google Doc. So that's why I'm showing Microsoft Word document. Here we have various tabs in Microsoft Word like Home, Insert, then Draw, Design, Layout, References, Mailing, Review, View. In Insert, you have to click on Insert tab. In Insert tab, there is one Get Addins. Okay, click on Get Addins. After clicking Get Addins, you can search here. I'm searching here Mendeley. See, when you type here Mendeley, your search report show you Mendeley site. You click on Get It now. So on your Microsoft Word, you will see in My Addins. See here, Mendeley reference site. Actually, I have already added with the help of Addins, and it shows now it's showing on in my Microsoft Word where it shows. So in the reference tab, you will see the Mendeley reference site. Okay, now it is collapsed. I am clicking here. In very initially, see it will show you to sign in. The sign in page will come here. When you already created your Mendeley account, that time the same sign in you have to proceed here. So you will access, or you can access the Mendeley site with the help of Microsoft Word. So now okay, now it's already I have signed in, that's why it show like this. Suppose now come to the point that now I'm working on one research article. I'm giving here now on, I'm creating some demo text like I'm writing here abstract. Now come to home, bold, and step 1. Now introduction, bold, heading 1. Okay. Now in introduction, I have written some demo text here to understand how to use Mendeley with the help of Microsoft Word, and how we can cite here and how we can suppose I'm writing one research paper or research article. I have given here title of research article, and now abstract is here. In introduction, there are some reference material. The first paragraph I have taken from some references. Suppose I click here. So author, you know very well, like Sunavane. I have one my paper. So I write here Sunavane and then insert citation. I click. See here Sunavane P, comma 2021. So citation come automatically. But sir, I want to change my style. Can I change? Yes, I already told you. So how to change? See here n number of style here. American Medical Association 11th edition, then American Political Social Science, American Sociological Association 6th edition, Chicago, then IEEE if you are from engineering section. But basically American Psychological Association 7th edition we are using because being from social science or humanities. So I click here and select the site. Now closing. See, there are 3 tabs in the reference site. One is reference, second is style, and third is more. Okay. Again, come to the point. Okay. Now in second paragraph, I am selecting another reference, like I'm citing another reference in text site. Okay. Then in third, there's one another insert, and the fourth paragraph I'm selecting some another insert. Click here, insert. Okay. Now sir, now I want to show all the references in bibliography. Can I create bibliography? Yes. Now heading 1 bold. Okay. Now see, whatever you have given a in-text citation, all will come here in bibliography. For that, what you need to do, you come on more. Okay, more tab. Some small pop-up window will open. There is one option is insert bibliography and update library. Now I am inserting bibliography, so I'm clicking here, but your cursor should be below the bibliography. Okay, so wherever your cursor, there from that point it will show all the bibliography where whatever you have cited, in text cited. I'm clicking and continue. Now see, I have cited 4 references each paragraph here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all come here. Okay, fine. Well, like this way, you can see the bibliography come alphabetical order. Okay, so like this, you can write the you can use the Mendeley reference manager with the collaboration of Microsoft Word. And with this unique feature, you can use your academic work, you can do your academic work, and you can do your quality work also. So I think you understand that how to use the Mendeley, what are their functions, and how we can use Mendeley with the help of Microsoft Word. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Hello.
Thank you so much, sir. This very informative session. If anyone has any question, you can ask.
If anybody having any questions, you may ask.
I think no one has any question, sir. Thank you so much, all the participants, for your active participation. Let me inform to all that this complete session will be available on our Research Circle YouTube channel. So if you want to watch it again or want to share it to somebody, please do visit the Research Circle YouTube channel. Thanks. And last but not least, thank you, Prashant Sonone, sir, for taking out the time for session. With your permission, I would like to end today's session here, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Research Circle.